Hello, welcome back to the Caddo Creators channel. You can go now, mate. I like Minecraft. If you look on the screen, we've got Grian's Minecraft base from HermitCraft Season 9. Very cool. Yeah, we're going to turn Grian's base realistic. So as you can see, there's a lot of boulders. Wait, no, it's not a boulder.
It's a rock.
Okay, so we got this image of a rock. We've got the rock. Not Dwayne, no.
It's the biggest piece of dog shit.
This is just a boulder. No, it's not a boulder, it's a rock. So we'll put that one there. I don't think the world download's out yet, so I can't actually see it, but I think that is the main boulder. And then you got some like pillars on the sides coming up, and you got some floating rocks and the portal. The portal's gonna be cool. But let's get the rocks in place first. Now that we've got all the boulders done, we need to add moss, because you can see on the thing, it's mossy.
Whoa. Nah, I never knew that.
And now that the moss is done, we need to add the building part of it, which I'm also going to time lapse. I'm sorry, guys. Alright, it's done. So if you enjoy my work that you can see here and you want to see more like this, check my Instagram, that's linked down below, and also subscribe here because yeah, it helps out. Thank you, goodbye.